Yo, I posted that. That scared the shit out of me, dude. What up, fellas, gentlemen, ladies? I'm gonna go cruise around town with El Hef. My name is Jed. I just recorded like so much, and it was on manual. It was on manual. So it was all bright. But you know what? You heard me say I'm cruising with Jeff. So much better looking than Max. It's crazy. I don't even really like him that much, but you know, I gotta deal with him. You know. Yo, I posted that. That scared the shit out of me, dude. Yeah, carry it. You get cool shots.
Dude, I'm gonna drop it.
No, you won't.
Do a kickflip.
Count it. Alright, I just met the love of my life and I'm gonna go date her. That about sums it up. No, the truth is, there's a very pretty girl and I'm gonna make her my wife. That's the truth. You gotta talk to people, you know? You gotta say, hey, I think you're the cutest girl on this mall right now. Alright, I'm gonna go get my wife. Oi, mateys, we're about to hear a really, really bad storm. A really bad one. Watch for winds. Heavy winds coming in south, maybe north. Stay low. Stay really, really low. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, hang ten! Oh! Oh! Yeah! And up, 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 yeah! Yeah! Look at that cloud, dude. Holy balls. Look, my tripod broke! Yeah. They'll cut you off. The storms look over there. And the sun's over there. We can do it. We can do it. Go. Go.
Make a crazy face too.
Did you get it?
Yeah. It was recording, right?
Yeah, I think so. God. Yeah. I'll try to get a thumbnail. Craziest storm of our lives. Never seen anything like this. Mateys. What if I called everybody mateys? Sunshine. Darkness. Darkness lies within you. First one to die in this video loses. Oh, really pumping out here. I went to turn around and look. Did you see me wiggle? I started wiggling. What do you think about me finding my wife today?
Today?
Yeah, you think I found her? No! That was my subconscious. That was me being negative. Her name, block the number on here. Ashley. Ashley with 2 E's. What do you think that means? I think that's a good sign. 2 E's. It means she's not a basic. That's what it means. Alright, I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna roll up to the car, and if I have a ticket, I'm gonna make a face, and if I don't have a ticket, I'm gonna make a different face, and everyone has to guess. Alright, I'll eat it. You ready? I'm gonna come up with my faces now. Okay, here's my ticket face, I got it, and then here's my other face. Alright, ready? Oh, God. No ticket! Crazy! Oh, you broke them! Well, I didn't know you were throwing it. And I was dodging because I was like, maybe he threw a brick. Yeah. It happens, man. I've dodged bricks before. Bricks and rock. You effing butthole. Hot as butt. Hot as butt cheeks, bro. We should replace the curse words with funny words, like, you know, when you're a kid. Like butt cheeks. And hiney. Hiney burp. This part.
Act like you get knocked out when I throw a punch at you.
Okay.
You're good.
You're good.
Should I run in and say, Max, pass down the long?
Yeah.
No, I'll do it right now. So I think something's wrong with Max. And then you just like literally lay in the grass completely motionless.
Okay, but you have to film him.
Yeah, have your arms like that. Hello? Will is not Will is not here at all. We thought he was, but Max thinks we're about to walk outside. Check him out. He thinks that Will's gonna walk outside right now. He's not here. What? He's not? No. Where'd he go? I don't know.
Bite me. Oh god.
Oh god.
Do you want me to shave it?
You could shave it.
I can, or would you like it?
I would like it.
Are you sure?
I'm positive, yes.
We're playing the alligator
Is it
shave
rolling?
game. Yeah.
How about the mic? Is it on?
Yeah. We're playing the alligator shave game. Okay, best of 5. If I win, best of 5. Will has to shave his beard. If you win, I'll give you $10. Okay?
Oh, all right. Game on.
All right.
Okay.
You go first.
We're playing best of 5.
Yeah. Is the
You
whole
go
alligator in there?
What?
Yeah.
By the way, there's
yeah.
a very nervous girlfriend on the other
Oh
side of this.
god.
All right, go ahead.
You want me to go first?
Yeah. Press it. I hate this stupid game.
God.
All right. That's you, baby.
Oh man.
Oh! Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh! 1-0 Willie. All right. We're winning up. So
All right, you have to go first this time.
Okay. Okay, so we need to win 3 games to win.
4 best of. Oh yeah, best of 5. Oh god, I don't like my
Push it.
luck in this.
Just push it fast. Push hard and fast.
Yeah! Tie game!
Damn it! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! Okay. All right.
You want me to go?
Yes. Oh, I hate this.
Oh.
It's funny. Shit.
2-1 Max. 2-1 Max.
Oh, you.
Wait, how many do I have to win?
You have
the
to win
next
3.
one. If I win
Oh
this,
my god.
you're getting your beard shaved
I
off.
start-
Oh my
this time?
god.
I hate you.
Yeah, you can say it.
I'm nervous.
Yes.
Ah!
All right. Next.
Now it's
Next one wins.
Next game. This game wins, and you go first.
Oh.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby.
All right, let's go. Content. The beard shaving is content. I gotta win this. I gotta feel the energy.
Push a tooth.
Oh god.
I feel like if I.
Oh my god. I'm
Sam
nervous.
does- Sam
I'm
does
sorry.
not want me to
really,
shave
it.
I'm really nervous.
You don't want me to shave it, do you?
No, you can.
Or
It's just a good game. Like it's just a
We're
scary
already
game.
so deep. You. Oh, I'm nervous. I
Go.
don't like it.
Oh my god.
Okay. All right, man. Sam is nervous.
I am. This is making me really anxious.
Okay, push it. Pick one.
That.
Now just push it.
Yes.
Oh my.
Please stop.
Oh!
There's no way. I'm totally screwed. There's
No,
no
you're not.
way. We haven't gone this
Look how
long.
many teeth there are.
I know, but none of them ever goes this long.
Jesus.
Push one. Pick one.
Yeah!
I hate
Oh
that. Oh,
God.
I'm nervous.
Come on, baby.
Oh.
This is
Come on,
crazy.
Tooth. Come on, Tooth. Come on, Tooth.